Wrong with me? No, nothing wrong with me, yaar. I just think it's funny how it go. I'm on YouTube making nothing for a show. I started from the bottom. I'm still here. God damn it! I started from the bottom. I'm still here. Hey, buddy. Namaste, loyal YouTube viewer. Today we are reviewing a movie called Lucy. The story is about a woman who take a drug to unlock the power of her brain to do super fantastic things like killing people. Right, yeah, that's how it was. And now to the characters. Alright, you got me. I tried to move on, I really did. But come on, you are seeing the trend here. There are no stories anymore. Just old story disguised as new story. This is like putting dog shit in a gift bag. You open it and say, "Oh my god, this is shit in a bag, rah." And the buyer tells you, "No, stupid, the bag is completely new." Whatever you say, director from the movie Limitless. Despite the lack of any new ideas, the characters give wonderful performances. Morgan Freeman plays Morgan Freeman like always, who plays a smart Morgan Freeman. And Scarlett Johansson plays a wonderful bloody idiot turned bloody gangster, killing anything and everything as her brain power becomes a loaded weapon. But I have a slight criticism, just a very small one, just a very small one. As smart as she becomes, she is only limited by her inability to see how stupid it is to kill people. Whoopsie! Oh well. And as far as the way she does it, Mortal Kombat was far more creative with less. Oh my, you got told, Lucy. Fatality. One thing I will say though, yaar, is the action in this movie is top notch, yaar. And I suppose that was the point, right? Right? If you could access 100 percentile of your brain for movie's sake, you would not be solving the world's hunger problem. No, you would not be finding the cure to cancer. No, fuck that bullshit. Why would you want to do that? No, my friend. Instead, you would showcase your mastery of shooting some bloody bastard right in the teeth. And this movie is a champion in that area. So with that, I give this movie 3 tandoori chicken and 1 gulabi jam, yaar. In a movie about unleashing one's brain power, when you watch it, try not to use so much of yours, my friend, and everything will be alright. Thank you. Please subscribe. Rajiv out. Tika tika.